Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, obviously we want to open up settings, and from here scroll down to general management, reset, and choose factory data reset right over here. Now this will bring up a fairly lengthy warning message, basically that performing this will remove things like our Google account, setting up data, basically all kinds of useless stuff, but the more important ones that it will remove are things like right here, the music, photos, and user data. So if there is anything that you want to keep out of those things, then you might want to back up your device beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you simply don't want to, then scroll all the way down where you will find reset button. Now if you have some kind of protection on your device, PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it over here. So let's do that, and from there simply tap on delete all, and the process will now begin. Now this will take approximately 2 to 5 minutes, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.